Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome y'all onto this channel, guys. I have good news. Not really I have good news, because this has been circulating in social media and everywhere. It has been making headlines, of which it's the news of our former Miss Universe, of which I don't think she'll ever be our former Miss Universe. I think she'll forever be our Miss Universe. You know, we love, like, meaning I'm Thunzi Zozibini, I don't want to lie to you. I like how she carries herself. She's quiet, she's private, and private, everyone is even seeing good how private she is, because we are all like, John, she's never posted a picture with this guy. She's never posted a hand, allegedly. She's never done anything. But next thing, boom, you're getting married. Jari manje. Sebesikazi nokuthi u-relationship. But I'm happy for her, man. This is a very good thing. These things, there are people who really do take this thing of keep your private life away from social media very serious, and they'll only get to a point wherever, if they do even want to post or put anything out there, you understand. Same thing applies even with her wedding. That's what she did. Also, another thing that I'm also like, wow, this is dope, the fact that even the people around them, no one came out or leaked any information when it comes to them or her even just being in a relationship with anyone. You understand? Because I know if information kanjalo did leak ukuthi she was in a relationship with someone, it was definitely going to also make headlines. You understand? But the fact that everyone around them, both her and her husband, who goes by the name of Luthando Bolowana, kept it amongst them. Yeah, understand? I like that, Shemba Fetu. We need people like that, Bafetu. We need people like that. And yeah, and abantu abanye bayadelela bafethu abahlala beyipostela ama-boyfriend wabo 2 seconds and 2 days. We're going to at the end, or towards the end of this video, you're just going to add our reactions of the people and what people were saying. But yeah, Shuti, they got married at the Bel Air Pavilion, Epal, in the Cape Wetlands, and she was dressed by a Vietnamese, I hope I'm saying this properly, hey? She was dressed by a Vietnamese designer who goes by the name of, I hope I'm saying this, Gahle Fan. It's Phan. The surname is Huy. Yes, I'm not ngoma ngizozwe ngithi isibongo sakhe uHey kanti akusuHey, but no disrespect. Yeah, but the wedding was beautiful, Buffett. I don't want to lie to you. Even it was even stated to go to her long-term stylist, or Tobega, was also there to ensure that everything also ran smooth from the venue, and makeup and everything. It was just going to run smooth, and there were not going to be any hiccups or complications. But yeah, man. So now we're just going to check out some of the pictures and videos and video clips of the event and what happened today. And yeah. Okay, not only just that, she also sang. I did not know that she could sing. And allegedly, they say that this song is a song that she wrote for her husband. Check out this song. And yeah, man, you know. This was a very beautiful wedding, Shem. I don't want to lie to you. And another thing that also even just makes this whole thing especially is also the way it was handled, in terms of it was kept private, and also the person that Zozibini is. Kashem, most of the people are just rooting for them. I know there are people because there was this other post that I saw of, I'm not going to add that post here, but whatever, to that post where someone was even dissing this guy that she is getting married to, talking about Uzozi needs to be married to some tycoon or someone with a lot of money. Guys, I mean because even Nani and Lama tycoon are on phone. You understand? So yeah, man, but most of us are rooting for her, man. You know, umutu kind, emuhle. You just wish the best for them, Buffett. Oh, let me just say, man, I'm just like that. I just wish the best. Minavela, if you're a kind person, I wish all the best for you. But if you're a ruthless person, I wish you could die now. But either way, here are some of the reactions of what people had to say on social media. And yeah, man, tell what you also think about this video down below. And sure.
All I'm saying, beloved, is that Zozibini Thunzi got married. Did you ever see her posting a man? No. But we already know Jambul. We already know your future plans, and they might not even happen. Stop posting men. All I'm saying is that Uzozi cemented herself. She made sure that she cemented before she started posting a man on her socials. And then there's you. You're not even Miss South Africa. Child of God, you're just a nobody trying to tell everybody about somebody, but we already know your plans. Your plans, again, that might not even happen. When you get the chance, don't be silly. When you get the chance, don't be a silly girl. Be a material girl. only talk about it when it has materialized. Oh, somebody's hearing me. Another one is still posting him tonight. Good luck, beloved.
What Zozibini did this weekend, high 10 out of 10. And Kyaublela Chomilinna, I'm gonna follow in those footsteps. One day, Bekira fella, Dwa! Kire Instagram post to kere ranking while a date. You'll see a khati.
Wabona Chomi, one thing it's on the way, Lene, you should pull a Zozibini Thunzi. Yeah! Mobo Pilong, Tonto no Kala fellow, Twa! Who knew? What a line? And only Chomi family, a kono keeping spirit. Corey, o say, spirit in ne, over very non disclosure agreement, what is what, who sign so big de mal. More internet area, what is what, yeah. So pulang Zozibini Thunzi, pulang what is what. Hunyewe.
Oh, if family guys Zozibini guys Chomi zake, they are such good people, because if being abanye, they would have ran quick blogs, ba poster, bamhloniphile, bamyek ba benguyo poster qala before bona bazoshare moments and everything ibe phayana emchatweni. Oh, busemhlala mchato jongi yo the dress on her. No sana, everybody needs family enjeyana and friends abanjeyana, because wow, I am so happy. Eyapulane no Kesfasana Sayas being a guy post bona just because of people who were invited in that whatever lobola or wedding. You understand? Guys, we need people abanjenga ababe menyoko yazozi abangathandu hamba befake izinto zabantu ku social media before bona bazipostele ngokwabo, like obashare kwi blogs. I'm really so happy, and I wish everybody angafunda kulonto leyo angapost izinto zabantu. Like it's the same as this thing of
Chato private njengozozi wena ojoli 2 days uthi thungisani get 2 days ujola private wedding njengozozi. You can't keep anything to yourself.